Today I carry out simple test using one laptop, one with traditional HDD and the other one with modern SSD. To make it fair, I used stopwatch to measure how fast each one load up. The results: SSD power laptop booted up with ready to use, much faster than using an HDD. This is a clear reminder: if you cannot afford a brand new laptop yet, don't worry. You can simply upgrade your old one with an SSD hard drive and it will perform like new. Always request for SSD when upgrading or repairing your system. It makes a huge difference in speed and performance. Follow Tech Simplified for more practical tech tips and demonstration. Now you have seen it yourself, SSD really make a big difference. Don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends who still use HDD.